길 속에 Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. I live